Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you actually about to understand through something. We are about to start to copy interaction. So what you're gonna do is about to be satisfied. What we're gonna start to see is real to be satisfied with this progress. As you can understand on this progress, you can think that it's possible through every single moment that is really to be satisfied with a progress that we are about to start to go with the subject or object, start to go with a ellipse, and then what you're gonna do is about to start to go for the prototype with object, and then starting with that go for the interactions. Maybe we can need one more object, and then start to control A, and then we can start to go to make a component. Okay, so we have right now that we create a component and this interaction has been appeared. Now you can start to add such a simple interaction and then start to copy this interaction. So the interaction, for example, back on drag, you can see the states also of the interaction if you have more of it, and that is all about to help you.